Stop scrolling. Have you ever noticed clusters of oversized cells at the edge of a Sydney beehive in late spring? It looks like a mistake, but these are drone cells, and their sudden abundance reveals a hidden strategy. Right now, as Sydney's spring nectar flow peaks, bees are producing extra drones, male bees essential for mating. But this surge isn't just about reproduction. It's closely linked to swarm prevention. When the hive senses crowding and abundant resources, the queen lays more drone eggs. Drones don't forage or work, yet they're vital if a new queen emerges during a swarm. By building more drone cells, the colony signals readiness for reproduction and manages swarm risk. Here's the twist. If too many drone cells appear, it can also warn that the hive is preparing to swarm or that the queen's pheromones are weakening. For Sydney beekeepers, spotting these cells means it's time for a careful inspection and possibly splitting the hive to prevent losing half your bees. This is exactly what we are seeing here in Sydney at Bee-Croft Honey.